gonna be my baby. When you get with a bunch of girls, it's always talking about sex. Oh, sorry. There, go, go.
Sometimes I just need a
break. Hug. Good morning, guys. Yeah, good morning. I'm just here. Got up not too long ago, eating some breakfast. Yep, I'm on that healthy tip. So I got some yogurt. My doctor says I need some more probiotics. So, Activia. So yeah, so I got some yogurt with some fruits. I got some honeydew melon, some cantaloupe, and some watermelon as well. And then I'm gonna do my what's that thing called again? That dance thing? Zumba. I want to do my Zumba. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'll let you guys join me on my Zumba lesson. You guys can do Zumba with me if you want. Yay! So anyways, yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. Oh, and to mention, I know that the quality of my videos right now are not the greatest. I apologize. Everyone's laptop is down. I cannot cross it right now to get a new one, meaning I cannot afford to get a new one right now. And yeah, so I have to edit from my phone. At least I'm putting up content. Would you guys rather wait years to get vlogs and videos, or are you guys okay with the quality that it is right now? You know, you got to start from the bottom before you reach the top, right? So I don't know. Let me know. Comment below. Let me know what you guys want. And yeah, because I mean, this is for you guys, right? So yeah. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna finish Dance Moms. I'm gonna finish my yogurt, and then I'll be back and we'll do some Zumba. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Guys, so it's time for Zumba. See, I got my workout clothes on. Fearless Rise Up 1982. I was not born yet. Anyways, so I finished my step-by-step stuff. So, and this doesn't have all of the DVDs. So let's go to the next one, which is Activate. So we're going to be working on abs and legs today, y'all. My hands and my legs. I'm going to fix you guys in a second. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm set up and ready to go. Okay, let's go. So there's like 5 different ones. There's Zocalypso. That's Calypso. There's Tango de la Bodega, which is tango. There is Mirala, which is reggaeton. Lego, salsa, and Zumba Luvia, which is the cool down. So let's just play all. Oh, let me get a water. Major key to success. Tap, guys.
Okay, now let's bend that knee just a little bit. Good. Make sure that knee is not going too far over that front toe. You got it. Okay, same thing. Let's add an arm. Ready? Push down.
Oh.
Good. So keep it basic. No worries. Think about actually working your arms out, not just doing the movement. Good job. Same thing.
Oh.
With a tap. You got it. Bend that knee just a little bit. Ready to have the arm? Here we go. Push. Good. Keep that foot out and in. You got it. Okay, now listen to the music with the chorus. Here we go. Up, down. Up, down. Again.
Oh.
Now side.
Okay.
Now, down, up 2 lips. Let's go.
Sorry.
Good. Other side. Change. Here we go. Calypso step. Just push it forward. Nice and easy here. Tap, tap, tap. Good. Now a little weight when you go forward. There you go. You got it. And that's some hips. So much better than being in the gym. And the arms. Okay, here we go. It's a knee lift. Right here. Lift up. Lift.
Is this DVD done?
Think about moving your abs. Do it.
Be right back. Gotta fix a DVD player, okay?
Okay, the tango. Let's start
Tango time.
with the right. 1, 2.
Oh shoot, I should have learned this one.
1, 2. Good. Try to have some attitude. Keep your arms back. There you go. Now, single leg. Same thing. Other side. Forward, back. Forward, back. Good. A little twist. Up. Good. Twist. Work those abs. Forward with the 2 steps. Here we go. 1, 2.
Ooh.
1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. Touch. Now back. Tap. Good. 1, 2, 3. Touch. Now right here with a little point.
Ooh.
A little hook.
Oh.
Now let's change legs. Starting back. Here we go. 1, 2,
shit.
3. Touch. 1. Touch. Add a little lift. There you go. Another point. Lift. There we go. And 8 walk hunts. Work the abs. 3, 4,
Oh.
5, 6, 7. Again.
Okay.
Good. A lot of attitude, love, and passion. There we go. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go to this side. Touch. Tap. Touch. Good. Tap. Okay, remember, with elegance and feeling, not just the movement. Good. Forward. Great
Woo.
job. Okay, on this song, we're going to focus on our core. Nice and tight. Let's get some grip down. Are you ready? Start with your legs apart, knees slightly bent. Keep your abs nice and tight. Start with the crunch. Hands up, crunch. Good. So try to pull those ribs into your hips. Good. Now try to not let your arms do the movement like this. Make your abs do the work. So keep your arms nice and straight. Crunch. Crunch. Good. Pull it in tight. Breathe. It's important to breathe, yeah? Keep going. Nice and tight. Good. Keep your arms straight. Right here.
And just like that, guys, this workout session is done. I am bust. I will have to come back tomorrow because, like, I'm so out of shape. I can't even work out for a half an hour. That's terrible. I'm dying. Whoo! Look at this. Me I sweat. To all me I sweat, Lord Jesus. You know, look at more here. I go shower, come in and like how I feel right so now. Sweat is good, but me lose like 2 pounds. Maybe? No? Yes? No? Maybe? Who knows? Okay, whatever. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye. Good morning, favorites. Yes, natural hair. Don't really care. You know what? I'm gonna go do my hair today. I just remembered that I have a birthday party to go to tomorrow, so I'm gonna go let my sister flat iron my hair. Yeah, because Your girl can't go anywhere with her hair looking like this. Zoe. Oh, you know much people not have ear on them head. Look all what God give me. Anyhow, I'm here just making some breakfast. Where is my spatula? So I'm making some hash browns. I think I need to put a little bit more. There's one gone. I think I need to put a little bit more butter in there. Just a tad bit more. I like them really golden and crispy. You know, everybody who like them things crispy, raise your hand, raise your hand. You like your things crispy? Yeah, I like my things them crispy, like very, very crispy. I like it crunchy in my mouth, crunchy and crispy. I don't laugh after my English, okay? That's just how I spoke for a very long time now. Sorry. For a very long time now, I some speak. Oh, I love butter. Like, it's so good. Yes, you squiggle it around there. Yes, girl. So yeah, that's currently what I'm doing. And then I have 2 egg boil over there. And then I'm going to fry up some sausage. Some sausage. Sausages. Fry up some sausages. And that's going to be my breakfast. Some hash browns, boiled egg, and sausage. Y'all, I got to lose 20 pounds or 40 pounds in 4 weeks. It's birthday body. Oh my God, did I tell you guys it's my birthday? Not today. In 23 days. Ross. Yes, 23 days. I'm going to be 26 in 23 days. Hey. Y'all want to send your girl a gift? No, I'm joking. A birthday card? That would be really, really nice. A birthday card. I love cards. Like, if anything in the world to get for my birthday, I appreciate cards. I love, handwritten messages. It's so sweet. It's so nice, So, I don't even know what I'm doing for my birthday yet. I kind of have it planned out. I'm just not 100% sure if that's the plan. But I guess when I go to see my sister today, I will confirm everything and figure all of that out. And yeah, I really wanted somebody to throw me like a surprise party. Like, I'm tired of planning my own stuff, I feel like I've planned enough things for people over the years that they should be able to return the favor and plan me something. Nobody has ever planned me a surprise party, except for one time when I always tell this story. But anyways, there was one time where I think I was like 11 or 12. And I have a cousin named Lashara. She has the same birthday as me, but she's just a couple years younger. And her mom passed away a few years ago. And we went over to her house one day. And when I got to the door and we knocked, my mom was like, we're going to have it's your birthday party too. And I'm just like, what? And then I went in. And then when it was time to cut the cake, there was a cake there that my mom brought that had my name on it. And then her cake had both of our names on it. But nobody there was... like, except for her grandma, my cousins, like her sister, and her aunts, and my mom. There wasn't anybody else there to signify that it was also my birthday. So that doesn't necessarily count. And yeah, I've never had a surprise party. I've always wanted to, like, walk in and then have somebody like, yo, like, surprise. And I'll be like, for me? I can only imagine my expression, but I would love that. But anyways, on a sadder note, this girl that I know passed away. From what I'm hearing, she committed suicide. Like, I don't know if you guys have known anybody who's ever committed suicide, but people out there suffer. Like, with mental disease and mental disease, mental illness. It's a disease. Like, it's real out here. Like, if you know somebody who's battling with depression or abuse or something, get them help if they don't want to get help for themselves. Like, I'm not the type of friend or family member to see somebody out there struggling and not do anything about it. I'd rather them hate me for helping them rather than I hate myself for losing them. You know what I mean? And like, I'm just so, it's so shocking because you see people, she had put up a post like 23 hours before. It was an older post, but I mean, like, just looking at her and how happy she was and stuff, you would never think that people are battling stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure there was somebody who had to know something was going on. You know, like, you, even if they didn't tell you directly, you would know, like, you there's an inkling inside of you. There's just something inside that's like, hey, something is not right. Talk to them, yo, draw them out, yo, and if they get angry, then you know what's real, like. But yo, man, for real, if you guys know somebody struggling, or even if you're struggling, there is help out there for you. Do not think that there is nobody out there that does not want to hear what's going on, and do not think that by you listening or asking somebody that you are not going to help that person. Do something, you guys. Let's not lose our fellow classmates, our fellow family members, our fellow friends, like, to suicide. That's not cool. I know it's so sad, and I'm sorry if you guys have dealt with it or know somebody close that has done it. I really apologize. My condolences, but we have to do something better, you guys. We can't be letting our own people, like our friends and family, like, go like that, you know? But Tamara, rest in peace, and to Josiah, oh my God. She left behind her son, and yo, that little boy is so sweet. I'm a husband, you know? I'm a husband for a long time. Yeah, me a raper. A joke. I'm not a rapist, but you would think I am because I love. Let me not dig a hole for myself. I don't mean it in that way, but like, I don't know. Every little boy that I meet that is just so cute, but just call him a husband. But yeah, it's really, really sad, man. Really, really sad. But now my hash browns are done. Let's get back to a nicer place. My hash browns are done. I'm gonna put you guys on this tripod here because I cannot hold you guys for much longer. Yo, I'm so mad today, yo. You guys don't even know. Time to put in my sausage. Something is so stupid. I'm telling myself, like, ooh, the next time I go to Jamaica, I gotta bring my tripod. How am I gonna manage? How am I gonna manage? Yo, you guys, I miss my dad and my sister and my brother and my stepmom and my uncle. I'm talking back to him now. That's a long story. I'm pretty sure the next time I go down there, we would explain that to you guys. But yeah, anyways, back to my birthday. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't know what it is that I'm gonna do. Sausage. Yeah. I wanna have like a bowling party. I wanna do something fun, you know, people relax. Like, I don't really wanna, if I go clubbing, like, it won't be like a, oh, you guys, like, I'm getting a booth and a table and all of that. It's not gonna be like that. It will just be like, I'm just going somewhere local just to shake my rump and go home. Like, I'm not really into that life. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bowling, or I never did hookahing before. So that would be cool. And then karaoke, that would be cool. And I'm gonna go to this restaurant though called Walk of Fame, where them grill up the food for you in front of you. I'm gonna go do that for my dinner on my actual birthday, which is the Sunday, January 31st. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, but I just don't know. And then I want to have like a sleepover, like a girls' night kind of ting, or have a house party. So I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? Bowling? Well, I have 3 days, but the Sunday is out. So I need something to do for Friday, which would be either bowling, hookahing, or karaoke. Or, okay, no, that would be the Friday. Okay, Friday. Okay, so you guys, help me, okay? Help me. I'm all over the place, but help me, okay? So Friday would either be bowling, hookahing or karaoke, or Friday, or Saturday would be sleep. Okay, Saturday would be don't burn it. Saturday would be friggin' karaoke, hookahing, and then the sleepover, or the house party and then the sleepover. Comment and let me know what you think I should do, because I gotta vlog it, right? So what do you guys want to see? Let me know. Now back to my breakfast before my sausage and then thing burn off. So I'm not sure if I told you guys, but all I wanted for Christmas this year was a new pot, right? But all I wanted for Christmas was a pot, a new skillet. And I never got it on the day or whatever. So when I had my dinner, my mom brought my gift, and she got me a pot. And she got me a pot. She got me a new skillet. And I love it. It's so amazing. It doesn't burn anything unless I'm just not attentive. It's so good. Oh, you know one of them one day when I require hile. You know one of them the non-stick. Yeah, I them one them me get. Why me say this something good? I all want make stir fry and all these things now because I have them something there. You know the walk. Yeah. How you say? Sure. But anyways, guys, that's enough for now. I'm gonna finish making my breakfast, eat my breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to my mom's, and then I'm gonna go to my sister's. So bye. All right, guys. So this is breakfast. Yum yum yum. Are you mad or not?
Are you guys nervous that we're going against MVP?
Do you want to go to a competition? 2 weeks before your first